So Vanya is leaving, so we bring him to the Putu, our driver will bring him to the Ubud, and then he will take a couple of days there, and then he will fly. Like I said yesterday already in a previous episode, he will go back to Moscow. Давай, Вань, до следующего раза. So that's kind of the side effect of our life here in it doesn't matter where we live. It started in the Philippines, and it's always like, you know, the people coming and then they become our friends or really close, like a kind of part of our family, diving family, and then they are leaving. And that's the kind of the thing you never get used to. It's always kind of a little bit. But
especially now.
good morning from Amed. Yesterday, while editing my video for today, I found an old footage from the Philippines. And you know, it's like I lived in the Philippines for 8 years. It's actually double what I've been living here, because in March there will be 21st of March, I think. Yeah, not sure, that doesn't matter. In a March will be 4 years since I'm living in Bali. But you know, the 8 years definitely left some like a print in my heart, and of course part of my heart stayed in the Philippines. And since it's the second weekend of January is coming, and there is a special tradition in the Philippines, there is Sinulog. And I found this video from the Philippines when I was filming Sinulog. So I would like to show you that today. There are many similarities actually between the Balinese and Indonesians, but some traditions are completely different, and that's mostly based on a history of each country. Like for example, Philippines was a colony of the Spanish, while Indonesia was a colony of Dutch. Probably the complete exception from everything is Bali, because Bali has its own culture, and because of the strong religion traditions, Bali is completely different from all the rest of Indonesia. The story is about Philippines, and in the Philippines, in the middle of January, or the end of the second week of the January, there is a tradition when Filipinos celebrating Magellan's arrival in Philippines. And so the Magellan brought them Jesus Christ, the statue, and that's why they celebrating this historical fact. All around the Philippines there is this Sinulogs, which happens in almost every single village. Just some insight from the old footage. So yeah, just enjoy.